Hello and welcome to Holistic Health Solutions. Today we are diving deep into the immense benefits of chia seeds and how they can supercharge your wellness journey. Chia seeds are renowned for their exceptional nutritional profile and effortless incorporation into various diets. Discover how chia seeds can naturally boost your energy levels, aid in weight loss, improve digestion, and promote a healthy heart. These tiny powerhouses are packed with essential omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, and protein, making them a true game changer for overall well-being. Chia seeds have become wildly popular in recent years, and for good reason. These unassuming little seeds are nutritional rock stars, dense with fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. No wonder so many health experts recommend incorporating chia seeds into your diet. Here's a closer look at why chia seeds deserve a spot in your pantry or smoothie recipe. Nutrient powerhouses. An ounce, about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, contains approximately fiber 11 grams, protein 4 grams, omega-3 fatty acids 5 grams, calcium 18% of the RDI, manganese 30% of the RDI, magnesium 30% of the RDI, phosphorus 27% of the RDI, potassium 16% of the RDI. Additionally, chia seeds are packed with antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and flavonoids. This nutrient profile makes them one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3s, as well as an easy way to increase intake of calcium, magnesium, and manganese. They're also higher in protein and fiber than most grains and seeds. No wonder chia seeds are considered a top-tier superfood. Aid in weight loss. Multiple studies have conclusively found that eating chia seeds as part of a calorie-controlled diet can help facilitate weight loss and fat burning. The exceptionally high fiber and protein content of chia seeds prolongs digestion and increases satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer after eating. One clinical study found that eating chia seeds helped participants consume fewer calories overall, while another saw that adding just 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to yogurt resulted in increased satiety and reduced hunger over a 2-hour period. Chia seeds also absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a viscous gel in your digestive tract. This gel slows digestion of food and keeps you hydrated, further promoting satiety and preventing overeating. While more research is still needed, current studies strongly suggest chia seeds can be a beneficial addition to your diet if you're looking to lose excess weight. The fiber and protein provide satiating benefits, while the overall nutrition profile supports fat burning. Improve digestion. In addition to prolonged satiety, the soluble fiber in chia seeds acts as a prebiotic. It nourishes the healthy bacteria in your gut microbiome to improve digestion and gut health. Regularly consuming a few tablespoons of chia seeds each day is an easy way to ensure you're getting enough prebiotic fiber into your diet. Most experts recommend 25 to 38 grams of fiber per day minimum, and chia seeds can help you meet that goal for optimal digestion. The gelling action of the soluble fiber in chia seeds also adds bulk to stools and helps maintain regularity. By supporting healthy gut function and regularity, chia seeds keep your digestion running smoothly. Provide sustained energy. The winning combination of protein, fat, and fiber in chia seeds means they provide a steady stream of long-lasting energy. Unlike simple carbs that cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, the complex carbs in chia seeds are primarily fiber that is slowly digested. This results in a gradual release of energy over several hours rather than a quick burst that rapidly fades. According to a study on athletes, eating chia flour prior to intense training extended endurance and maintained optimal blood sugar levels far better than consuming a carb-loaded sports drink. These properties make chia seeds an excellent pre-workout snack to provide sustained energy and fuel your toughest workouts. The anti-inflammatory omega-3s in chia seeds also aid muscle recovery so you can bounce back quicker. Whether you're about to take on a high-intensity interval training class or just need some clean focus fuel for work, a chia seed pudding, smoothie, or energy bite can set you up for hours of lasting energy. Support heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds provide circulatory benefits that support overall heart health in various ways. raise good HDL cholesterol while lowering bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure levels, make blood less sticky and less likely to clot. All of these protective factors help reduce your risk of heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. Chia seeds contain the plant-based form of omega-3s called alpha-linoleic acid or ALA. While more research on chia seed-specific cardiovascular effects is still needed, numerous population studies link greater ALA intake with a significantly lower risk of coronary heart disease as well as heart attacks. Additionally, replacing saturated fats with fiber-rich carbohydrates like chia seeds has been shown to improve cholesterol levels. According to population studies, getting enough dietary fiber from foods like chia seeds is associated with reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. So by providing heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be an easy way to support your heart. Rich in antioxidants. On top of omega-3s and fiber, chia seeds boast a wealth of protective antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and various flavonoids. These compounds neutralize free radicals that would otherwise damage cells throughout your body. Antioxidants also reduce oxidative stress and tamp down inflammation, which are risk factors for many chronic diseases. The unusually high concentration and broad spectrum of antioxidants in chia seeds make them a superfood that can support many aspects of health. An antioxidant-rich diet full of nutrient powerhouses like chia seeds is key for total body wellness. Versatile and easy to eat. One of the best aspects of chia seeds is their incredible versatility. You can simply sprinkle them on yogurt or oatmeal, blend into smoothies and baked goods, or mix with water to form a gel. Chia seeds don't have a strong taste, which allows them to take on the flavors of whatever foods they're added to seamlessly. This makes it effortless to incorporate them into meals and snacks without impacting taste or texture dramatically. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, paleo, keto, or simply looking to add more nutrition to your diet, chia seeds fit into virtually any lifestyle or cuisine. With so many possibilities, there's no excuse not to enjoy their benefits. Are you receiving value from this video? If so, like and subscribe to our channel to receive more content like this that we provide in our weekly videos. Now let's explore some delicious ways to eat chia seeds and make the most of their incredible nutrition. Chia seed pudding. This healthy breakfast or snack takes just minutes to prepare and keeps all week in the fridge. Simply combine chia seeds, milk, or a dairy-free alternative, and your choice of flavors like fruit, nuts, and spices. For example, 1/4 cup chia seeds plus 1 cup almond milk plus 1/2 cup mashed banana plus 1 teaspoon vanilla. Let sit for at least 30 minutes or refrigerate overnight to achieve creamy pudding texture. Top with your favorite fruits, granola, and nuts. Overnight chia oats. Make this simple vegan and gluten-free breakfast ahead of time so it's ready when you wake up. 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup almond milk, 2 tablespoons chia seeds. Refrigerate overnight to let the chia seeds absorb the liquid and soften the oats. Then add toppings like fruit, coconut, nuts, cinnamon, and enjoy. The chia seeds provide an extra nutrition punch along with creaminess. I hope these recipes have inspired you to start enjoying chia seeds. They seamlessly incorporate into many dishes for a health boost. In summary, adding chia seeds to your daily diet is one of the tastiest ways to supercharge your wellness journey. Their incredible nutrient density and versatility make them a pantry staple with immense benefits. If you would like to receive more info on how I keep myself in perfect health, download my free ebook using the link in the description box below. Happy health to you all, and I will see you in the next video.